Okay, well, welcome to Kitchen and Garden with Ivy and Steve. And this is our garden. It's kind of obvious it's our garden. But here we go. I'm just doing a 3D tour. So if you haven't seen one of these 3D videos before, you can actually just put your fingers on the screen and move your fingers around. And yeah, you can pan around. So you don't have to look at whatever the camera's pointing at right now. So if it's my ugly mug, just turn it the other way. You can get to see some lovely flowers. But yep, so here we are. Let's head down to the greenhouse. Now I'm going as slow as I can, just in case you've got a VR headset on, because I don't want to cause any motion sickness. But here we are. So here we are inside the greenhouse. Let's go down a level. There we go. Head back up. And if you are arachnophobic, you might not like this bit. You might want to turn the opposite way. But there we are. You have ourselves a lovely little spider. But yeah, you do have the choice to turn it the other way, so it's all good. But it's nice to have wildlife and insects inside the garden. There's even spiders, they help, you know. Pollinators as well. I mean, it's dusk at the moment here in the UK. So you're not going to see all the normal pollinators like butterflies or the bumblebees. You may see the odd one straggling about, but they're normally going back into wherever they go. So you can see we've got quite a large range of different flowers. And we've got quite a lot growing out in the hanging baskets and in the side areas, and also in these large raised beds. Going down to our pond. Oh, I just saw a fish dive down there. You might be lucky to see one. There's one under the lily pads down there. I'm not too sure if you're going to be able to see him though. There was an orange one. Oh, there we are. Oh, just as we went to move away, one just swam up. Just missed it. You may be able to pan down and see it. Right, so we have got like a little bug hotel up there, mainly for bees. But I don't think they've actually taken residence yet, because you can't see any wax or anything inside any of the tubes. And going over to the raised beds, we've got tomatoes growing out here and over there. And we've also got quite a lot of tomatoes down here. There were some red ones earlier. I imagine Ivy has harvested them already. You can see there's a harvesting basket over on the table over there. We'll go take a quick look. We'll see if she's put anything in there. Let's head on over. Okay, so yeah, she has. She's harvested some of the ones that are red and ripe, and some of the beans. Oh, she has got some bitter there, but that fly is helping itself to the bitter. Oh look, there's Ivy over there by the kitchen. Ivy, you might not want to drink your bitter. There was a fly just having some.
No, that's for the slugs.
You're going to use it for the slugs as a slug trap. Okay, that's my John Smith's, one of my favourite bitters. It was my last can.
I'm waiting.
It's nice to know it's
I'm
had good
waiting for you
use.
to open it. Long time ago.
Yeah, it's been there for a while.
I've been catching slug for an hour, like hundreds of them.
Hundreds of them.
Oh, but the other night.
Yeah, you got 30 in like half an hour, and then you
And
went
then-
back out for 10 minutes and got another 16.
Yeah,
Yeah.
18.
18, okay. That's
I'm going
pretty
to the
damn
other
impressive.
side. I'm going to plant. You want to see all the...
Yeah, sure, we've still got a couple of minutes remaining on this, so we can follow Ivy.
Yeah.
So I don't think we've actually shown you down this side of here before. So yeah, we've got a water bucket and a rain catcher. Okay, well,
Oh, I just watered them.
you've got some natural compost coming along down here, because it does smell
Yeah.
rather ripe. Yeah.
Look, I'm going to plant them.
Oh, okay, cool. So this is the stuff from the greenhouse. I was wondering where all the things from the greenhouse had gone.
Because it's too hot there. Because they are cold.
Mm-hmm.
Those are ready for next year.
Bluegrass, nice.
Bluegrasses. I
Doing
saw them
good.
the other day.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a squash I want to plant.
Mm-hmm.
The new spinach. This is salads that's ready to transfer. And the Napa cabbage. Remember it was in a greenhouse. It's not doing well, and there's some pests as well.
You've got all your spare pots over there for putting things in and then selling on,
Yes.
which is cool.
So today I'm going to plant those pak choy and some pet chai,
Yeah.
spinach, and some salads.
Oh,
This
9
is-
seconds remaining, so you might want to say goodbye.
Bye for now.
Yeah, bye-bye people, bye-bye, bye-bye.